said remove it from the heat. Oh, wait a minute. Look, oh, look how moist. Look how moist that is. That's what you want. That's why that thermometer boy comes in handy. Get this smoked salmon going. Got it from Aldi. $8.45 I paid for it. You know, I like getting it like this. It's just like the half a salmon. If you wanna come loose. It's that big old nice little shank, you know, cooked for just me and the old lady. That way, we don't have to cook like that big old whole piece of salmon. You know what I'm saying? Just cook just this little nice piece. $8.45, that ain't too bad. And I'm gonna show y'all what we're gonna hit it up with. All right, peeps, we're gonna keep this one real simple. We're gonna leave the skin on. So, cause we're gonna have that heat high, we're gonna protect it. And plus this is gonna crisp up and be real nice, like a nice little crunchy snack, you know, when you on that salmon. I know some people don't like it. The only thing you gotta do if you don't like it, get on up in there and with a knife, come about halfway and pull it off. But I'm leaving mine on since I'm gonna have the heat up so high, and I want to protect it and not, you know, mess up the salmon. And I'm using this Pit Boss rub. It's called Mango Magic. Man, on fish, woo. Man, I'm telling you, I be trying to like save it, reserve it. I'm like, okay, they got this bad boy figured out. So we're just gonna season just this side, and we're gonna let it hang out for about 30 minutes. All right, got that rub on there. And we're gonna hit it with a little brown sugar, just a little bit. Got a little extra sweetness on there. All right, that's it. Let it hang out for about 30 minutes. Let that smoker come up the tip. And guess what? We're going outside. All right, let's get this set up to do the fish. No, that's the wrong app. This the app I'm looking for. All right. Let's get it. What we doing? We doing fish. We gonna do salmon, filet, charcoal grill. I agree. I want it at medium. All right. Let's start this cook. Bam. Get my hot gloves on. Salmon look good, don't it, baby? It's gonna be tasting good too. As y'all can see, I got it on my my little fish holder, so it protect the integrity of the fish. Throw it right there, and we're gonna let it do its thing. Hey, remove that from the heat. Yeah, I almost lost my food. About to take that in. Let it cool down. Eat some salmon. Ooh, hear that crisp? It's crispy. Oh. Yeah. Let's take our thermometer out. Yes, sir. This looks good, baby. We got that crunch on the bottom. So we cooked this to 125 degrees. So our salmon could be nice and flaky. I'm gonna take a bite of this salmon. Oh, wait a minute. Look how moist. Look how moist that is. That's what you want.
Yeah.
That's why that thermometer boy comes in handy. All right, here we go. I taste that mango. I taste that brown sugar. Delicious. Baby, this is good. You gotta eat some of this.
I'm gonna get one. Get some.
Hey, y'all saw how we did this? I threw this on the smoker, pit barrel style, open fire style. I had that thing going up. It was about 325, and took about 20 minutes, 125 degrees. Took it off, let it rest a little bit. Voila, perfect salmon. Please like, share, subscribe. Keep watching the videos. I appreciate you always coming out. Thank you for your time. Peace.